My name is Thomas Fromhertz. I work as a fellow at Netcetera. Netcetera makes payment convenient and secure. Netcetera started in the early days of the internet in 1996, and our founders realized that you can do applications on the internet. That was the early days of the browser. E-commerce was almost not existent yet at that time. We then developed into an engineering company active in several industries. Payment, I just mentioned payment before. Payment is one of them. But we're also active in finance and insurance areas. We're active in transport, we're active in health, publishing industry, and some other fields. With that one payment product, 3D Secure, that I mentioned, we have others that are active in the market. With that product, we are market leader in the German-speaking region of Europe, and to a certain extent also in whole of Europe. But we're now expanding to the Middle East and to Asia Pacific and try to gain traction and getting a certain position there as well. So when we moved to our latest office in Asia Pacific in Singapore, we realized quickly that certain countries had on-soil requirements, meaning the data needs to stay in the country. We realized that some of our clients had question marks concerning with the latency. And we also had the situation that we had downtime windows at night that occurred during the day in Singapore. And we needed a solution to that. And we found the solution with the AWS cloud, which solves these different challenges easily. By having local instances in Asia Pacific, we solved the latency and the on-soil requirement. And the zero downtime deployment solves your maintenance window problem because you don't have a maintenance window anymore. I believe there are probably several factors that helped us become a market leader in 3D Secure. One factor certainly is our attention to the client, to our customer. We try to serve them really well. We listen to them at the same time as we challenge them when we think there's a better solution or another alternative. Another factor is attention to detail in the software engineering process. We are a software engineering house, so we try to build really excellent, robust, secure, performant software. And that helped us to have these underpinnings under these services that were actually helpful when rolling it out and serving the client day to day. After 15 years of experience with on-prem hosting our services, we moved to the AWS cloud. And we realized quickly, after 3 months, that we don't only want to host our 3DS services in the cloud, but also all our other payment products which have services attached, move that to the AWS cloud as well. And then we have all our project business where we host certain projects for our clients in servers in Switzerland. We are planning on hosting those in the AWS cloud as well in the future. You don't have to invent everything yourself. If you can take advantage of a consultant services, and AWS was a great partner in that, that actually shows you the right ways to your service, to your initial setup that helps in your time to market journey.